Hi everyone, I hope you've had a lovely weekend. Today I've got another Aliexpress haul and it's quite a mega haul. I've got quite a few bits and pieces in here to show you. So I'm going to push these to one side so that I can show you all of these goodies. So the first one are these double-sided ink, like mini ink pad things. I've got two on each side. I did show these before. I just have ordered some different colours. So you've got a blue and a silver and a purple and a red, and these are 62 pence each, and that's obviously with postage as well. I will put the links to all of the products in the description below. I've also ordered some of these ink pads, and these are 55 pence each, and I thought that these were really cool because it gives you the different shades of colours there. You can see that one so well. Then you've got those there and the purple ones. So, you know, if you don't have an awful lot of ink pads, you know, at least these give you a bit more of an assortment of colours. So they are 55 pence. I haven't used them yet, but I will let you know when I do. I have these gorgeous border dies, and obviously you can use them to edge on a card. Lots of different things, ways that you can use these edges. So there's this one here, which this one is £1.57. And I think you've actually got, you can have it inlaid. This edge bit comes off so that you can edge a piece of card, or you can, if you take that edge off, you can just inlay this pattern in the middle of a project. I will be doing some projects with these, so don't worry. I'm just showing all of these now, but I will be doing some projects. I have got some projects to share with you today, but I just didn't go around to doing them all. This is another one, and all of them, I believe you can break the edge bit off, it snaps off, and then you have got the edge, or you can have it inlaid. This one is £1.38. And then we have this gorgeous one, which is £1.32. And the same again, you can use it as an inlay, or you can use it to edge something. So I will be doing some projects with those, excuse me, at a later date. Now, look at these gorgeous journaling cards. I just think these have come out fantastic. Now I've got to find the die. Let's have a look. Where did I do? What did I do with the die? Right, okay, this is the die, and you get this edge, which does it like a ripped out note page. Excuse me, and it is serrated, so you could actually put this into a notebook if you've got that kind of spiral notebook. And these are perforated, so that you can actually rip that off if you wanted to. But I just think they're fun for excuse me, journaling cards. You do get the word notes in letters there, as you can see, and I have put it on there. And you also get a pen and a pencil, a paper clip, an arrow, some arrows, a heart. So you do get a couple of other little extra bits in there as well. I have just used the heart and the notes, and I literally just put some coffee dyed paper, added a charm, and look at that, just super cute. But it just gives you another different look for your journals. But this is also handy because if you've got this kind of planner or notebook, you can actually add it into your into that planner, etc. So I've done a couple. I've just decorated them up slightly different, put a charm on them, and some lace. Some of this lace that I've been using this the whole time now, this lace I got the other day, and I have actually put it all in, excuse me, a jar. Love, love, love this cotton, because it looks old and vintage. It's gorgeous. And these are the stickers, so I shall also link these stickers and the lace in the description below. But these, look how cute these come. And this was, oh, I didn't get a price for it. Not much at all. A couple of pounds, if that. But I will, I'm not sure. I haven't got the price on this one. But if you're interested, I will link it below so you can see how much it is. But I just think, oh my gosh, I am going to make loads. And these took minutes to make. Minutes. You just die cut that and then decorate it up. This bit took a bit longer because I'd stick the word notes down. But that's just me being a bit sort of silly. So that's that one. Excuse me. Oh my goodness, now I'm losing my voice again. Right, we have this die here, which is £1.27, and it makes this cute baby, and you can put a treat in here. Not sure what kind of treat you would get in there, probably one sweet, one chocolate, but I just think these are super, super cute. Look at the little baby. How cute. So great for baby showers. Just really cute. I think he's lovely. Really easy to make as well. Made that in next to no time at all. So look at the baby. He really is adorable. And of course you can do pink ones and put little bows in the hair. I think my voice is going to give out. Right, this die here, it's a beast of a die. Look, it is actually the whole box. Some of the dies that you get will only be one side, and then you've got to make 3 bits the same or 2 bits the same. This is the whole die, makes this gorgeous box. Obviously, you've got to decorate it, but look here, that's the box that it makes. And well, I loved it because it's all in one piece. You've just got to glue it together. Yeah, really, really, really easy. And I love the edge that it has there. And, you know, you can get quite a few bits. And excuse the hole in the bottom. That was me. There is a butterfly. Butterflies, a little bow die that comes in here. And I didn't actually break it off. I just cut it out. And, of course, it's not supposed to be there. So I had a hole in the bottom of my box. So when you get this die, just pop the butterfly out. These do not cut the butterflies out. These actually, I don't actually know what it's on there for. I think it would emboss it maybe. If you used a shim, you could emboss. I'm not sure. Because it didn't cut anything out, obviously. It does... I think you must have to use a shim, I think, because it has left those lines. Maybe I just didn't do it properly. I didn't use a shim. So, if you use a shim, maybe it leaves those patterns all over it. But I love it because it's all ready made for you. Look. And it's quite big. It is. Does help if we have our ruler around the right way. Just over 2.5 by 3.25. So it's a nice size box. You can get, you know, some cute goodies in there. And this was £5.96. But you could, you know, really, really make these super, super fast. All I did was just stuck a bit of lace and some trim on the bottom and then put a brad to hold that down. That was really quick and super easy. This one is like I haven't got a price on this either. It gives you like a note paper piece. And then you have got like a mini alphabet. So this is what it actually does. That's what you get, this. So it gives you this. And then you have these little alphabet here. So you could write on your board, so to speak, or your notebook or whatever it is, like a notice board. So you could just write a message and put that on the front of a card, or, you know, put it on a journaling card. I don't have a price on that, but I'll put it in the link it below for you. I haven't done the letters because they were very, very small, and I thought, oh my gosh, I just, it's a bit fiddly, but I will do something with that at a later date. Now, the next project I have are these super cute, like little, I've made them in tags, but there's not actually a hole here, so you can just leave it like that. And they're like these little tiny boxes, in fact. But I did it so that you could put them in and hang them in a journal, or they just use them as a tag. And then you could have like this as a little journaling card. These are adorable, and I've just literally put a hole in the top of that and made them into little tags. And this one, these are the dies that you get. So you get the main piece, and then you get this shape, and then you get this front shape. So what I actually did was I took this bit, and I took one of these pieces here, and I turned it into a little tag that you could actually trust me to not have anything in front of me to, okay, let's let that one go in there. Oh, let me find something. Why is there never anything when you need it? So let's just say you had this in a journal. You could use it as a little tag, but I think I've glued it down now. And then you could slip a little ticket in there, or a little note. I've actually got it stuck with a bit too much glue, I think. I did. I got way too much glue in there. But you would for sure get like a little ticket or something in there. So I made like little separate little tags that you could pop something in. Excuse the scraggy paper. I didn't put anything aside. Oh, and I still don't have anything. So, okay, let's just say I've got a little tag here. So you could put another little tag in there or something, and then add some twine to make a little tag. So you actually get kind of 2 for 1. You get these little box tag, or little pockets like that, or you get these with a little pocket, and then you can put it in there if you want. And this was £1.69. Really, really like this one. A lot of fun with this. So definitely we'll be making more, because they're really, really cute, especially for presents and things. Then I have these 2, this is just things that I forgot that I'd ordered that came, these beautiful dragonflies. They're quite big actually. These were 43p for 2. They're beautiful, aren't they? How pretty they. These just metal dragonfly. They were actually for a project that I was doing. And then we also have this die set here, and it is £1.79, and you get these tags. So you've got the 2 tag dies like so, and they're quite long, and then you've got these little edge dies. So you would you've got your little tag, and you could put a sentiment on, and then these go, I mean that's the big one, but as you can see, these just go on the end like that. I don't know if you can see the stitched. Am I out of focus? Yeah, they do have a stitch around them, which are really pretty. So you've got a thin one and a wider one, and you get a like a banner shaped one, and then you've also got one that goes straight down as well, and you've got 2 sizes for both ones, and they were £1.79. so I just thought they were a bit cute for sentiments. They're quite cute to have on there. Oh, let's get them back in there. And then the last things that I have are these 2 adorable stamp sets, and these are called Squirrel and Frogs stamp set, but look at the teddy bear and the cat face, and it says glorious ideals. It's got a little birdie. I just thought that these were super cute. Look at that one. And these are £1.48 each, but I love this one. Look at this stamp set. It says clean living and embrace, and look at the bear hugging the little girl. How cute is that? And then you've just got some lovely sort of flowery floral things there. £1.48 each. I love that. They're just so cute. Look, I think there's actually a couple of sets in this with this seller, but I'll put the link below if you're interested. So those are today's haul. I have got more coming up tomorrow. I also have two more subby challenge entries, so I'm going to be doing a video for that, and the long-awaited giveaway that I keep promising you I'm going to do, and I haven't got round to doing because I absolutely forgot. So because I forgot, I will be adding something extra into it. So I am really sorry about that. I did say a couple of days ago I'm going to do a giveaway, and I completely forgot. So, excuse me, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If there's anything that you see in this that you like, just have a look in the description below and click on the link. And don't forget, every item that you buy through my links with AliExpress, you do get an entry into my AliExpress giveaway haul, which there are about 14 items. So it's a nice haul to get your hands on. So if you do order something, let me know. Just message me, leave a comment, or email me at craftfairyfreebies@gmail.com, and let me know how many items you've purchased, and then I can add your name into the book. So I'm out of puff now. Alright, my lovelies, I shall see you all later on. Take care. Bye bye.